students, in this video you would be learning about the perfect form of present, past and future tenses. So students, let us start with perfect tenses. As I already told you that it is taking past participle or third form of the verb. So we'll start with present perfect tense. Sentences that tell us about actions that were begun in the past and completed before the present time are said to be in the present perfect tense. Means it indicates an action that has been completed sometime before the present moment with a result that affects the present situation. So let us see in the example, he has finished work. So the work is finished before the present moment. Now it is affecting the present situation. So now he can play. He has slept. So he cannot go to play. To indicate an action that has been completed in the immediate past. With just, when we are using just. For example, Raj has just finished the dinner. So this is also present perfect tense. To denote an action that started some time ago and continuing up to the present moment. So these sentences are written often with since or for phrases. For example, Sushma has been ill since last week. So this is also present perfect tense. The form of present perfect tenses has, have plus verb, past participle form or third form of the verb. So students, no need to get confused because in perfect tenses, whether it is present perfect tense, the third form of the verb or past participle form of the verb is being used. So no need to get confused whether it is past tense or present tense. Actually it is present perfect tense. So students, let us learn about past perfect tense. Sentences that tell us about actions that were completed before another action in the past are said to be in the past perfect tense. Means it indicates an action in the past that had been completed before another time or event or action in the past. For example, she had exercised before it started to rain. Now here we are talking about two actions, exercising and rain, and both the actions happened in the past. He had slept before I came back from the market. To explain or give a reason for something in the past. For example, I had eaten dinner, so I wasn't hungry. So where we are giving reason or excuses for something in the past, we use past perfect tense. Think or expect in such cases. For example, I had hoped to finish the project on time. So the project is finished, the work is action is completed in the past and the person had hoped for it. So when we have hopes, we use or expectation, we use past perfect tense. The form of past perfect tenses had, it is past tense of has and have plus verb, past participle form or the third form of the verb. So now let us learn about future perfect tense. Sentences that tells us about actions that will be completed by a certain time in the future are said to be in the future perfect tense. Mainly it indicates an action in the future that will have been completed before another time or event in the future. For example, by the time we arrive, he will have studied. Now here we are talking about two actions and both will be happening in future only. One action would be completed before another action will be taking place. Vishal will have returned from school by then. The future perfect tense is used with expressions like by then, by that time, by next week. The form of future perfect tense is will, shall, have plus verb and past participle form or third form of the verb.
Perfect tenses: present, past, and future. Perfect tenses show actions already completed or completely done in the past. These tenses are also called simple perfect tenses. These tenses are easy to identify as the verb phrase consists of has, have, or had as helping verbs with a verb in past participle form. For example, has finished, had forgotten, have done. There are three types of simple perfect tenses: present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. We use the present perfect tense to talk about an action that was completed at an unspecified or indefinite time in the past. We use has or have plus past participle form of the verb for present perfect tense. For example, I have seen this movie earlier. We use the past perfect tense to talk about an action that took place in the past before a specific point of time or another past action. We use had plus past participle form of the verb for past perfect tense. For example, I had seen this movie before it was released in India. We use the future perfect tense to talk about an action that will occur in the future before a certain point of time or another action in the future. We use will have plus past participle form of the verb for writing sentences in future perfect tense. For example, I will have seen this movie by the time it is released in India.
So students, here we come to the end of our session. Now we have to continue practicing tenses, memorize the basic rules of tenses. Kindly keep learning the forms of the verb with correct spelling. That is going to help you to get your answers correct. Thank you. Have a nice day.